Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to bind KuCoin to RoyalQ. First, log into your KuCoin account and navigate to the API management section. Here, you will create a new API key. Make sure to enable only the trading permissions for this key, as other permissions are not needed for RoyalQ. Once generated, carefully record both your API key and secret key. Keep these secure, as you will need them for the next steps in the binding process. Now, open your RoyalQ application. From the main menu, locate and select the API binding option. You will see a list of various exchanges. Choose KuCoin to proceed. Carefully input the API key and secret key that you previously obtained from your KuCoin account into the designated fields within the RoyalQ app. Double-check for any typos to ensure a successful connection. Next, you need to whitelist RoyalQ's IP addresses on KuCoin for security. In the RoyalQ app, you'll find a list of specific IP addresses. Copy these addresses. Then, return to your KuCoin API management page and paste them into the IP whitelist section. This step is crucial for allowing RoyalQ to communicate securely with your KuCoin account. Always verify all entered details before confirming the binding. Finally, confirm the binding within the RoyalQ app to activate the connection between your accounts. Once bound, ensure your KuCoin account has sufficient capital to begin trading with RoyalQ. Remember, proper funding is essential for the bot to execute trades effectively. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.